Are you ready to go camping? Come on down to the new Sussex Campervans shop. Come and see our exclusive range of campervan-specific accessories. Come and browse in comfort and have a cappuccino or a cup of tea with us. And come and talk us through your campervan dreams. This month, we've got an exclusive special offer. For our shop opening, we're giving away a £1,000 voucher, free with every single campervan order made this month to spend in the Sussex Campervan shop. Come and talk us through your campervan dreams. Come and see how we build the exclusive Sussex Campervans range in our workshops right here in Horsham. Meet Chris. Come and see John. Come and meet the lovely Kate. And come and see Rachel. And meet our client team leader. It's the amazing Paul. Now, a word from our MD, Daniel Lopez.
Hi there, welcome to Sussex Campervans and welcome to our new campervan shop. We're so excited to share this with you today. We've gathered together lots of tried and tested accessories that would be ideal for you with your new campervan. Not the normal plastic bits and pieces. This is all stuff we know is good, and it's all gathered here together for you. And for this month, celebratory opening month, we're offering you a very special deal. With your campervan purchase this month, we will give you one of these. This voucher entitles the bearer to £1,000 to spend in the new Sussex Campervan shop. With your campervan order, whether it's a stock vehicle, whether it's built to order for the spring, come down and see us, come and meet the team. We'll make you a lovely cappuccino or a cup of tea. We'll show you all our stuff. We can even show you around the workshops too, and we can show you the shop. Get down here soon. We'd love to see you. Take care and see you soon.